I am Vinay Jain, and today I need to talk to you about something terrifyingly absent from your life. We meticulously insure our cars, our homes, even Cristiano Ronaldo's legs for millions of dollars. But what about your most precious asset? The very engine of your livelihood, your identity, your future, your skills. Because right now, as you watch this, you are uninsured for the biggest threat to your career. Imagine this. It's 2025, your job, the one you have poured years into, the expertise you have built, gets fundamentally reshaped by AI. Your current insurance policies offer nothing, no severance, no retraining, no recovery. Let me tell you about Priya, a brilliant financial analytics wizard. She navigated complex Excel models, built client dashboards, years of dedication. Then one Monday, a firm integrated an AI plugin, voice command generated sophisticated dashboards. No coding, no Excel. Priya's 3 years of mastery, her countless hours, her identity became 3 clicks of automation. She wasn't fired, not exactly, but she became quietly devastatingly replaceable. Imagine dedicating your life to a craft only for a line of code to render it irrelevant. This isn't a distant future. This is happening to Priyas all over the world right now. This chilling reality led me to a radical question. What if we had a skill set insurance? A policy designed to protect our professional worth just like we protect our homes from fire. You are insured against the very real threat of obsolescence. This isn't just an idea, it's a desperate necessity. In a world changing at warp speed, how you ask, how do we measure these skills? Actuaries, the guardians of risk, don't run on gut feelings, they run on data. We need a new metric, a quantifiable measure of the looming threat. I call it human capital at risk. HCAR. Think of it as value at risk, but for your very human potential. HCAR combines three critical measurable factors. First, expected skill depreciation. This is average percentage loss in your skill every year. The World Economic Forum in 2023 Future of Job reports found that 44% of the core work skills will shift by 2027. That's a staggering 8.8% depreciation annually. Your skills aren't static, they are depreciating assets. Second, probability of displacement giving underskilling or this conditional risk. If you stand still, what's the likelihood you will be replaced? For highly automable roles, studies from McKinsey and PwC indicate that this can soar between 40 to 60%. The price of inaction is existential. And finally, how you manage risk. Adaptive reskilling uptake or ARU. This is your personal countermeasure, your shield. It's measured by the courses you complete, the certifications you earn, every hour of self training you log. A high ARU dramatically slashes your HCER. ESD is 10%, PDU is 50%, ARU is 20%, or 4%. If Priya's annual value to her employer was 20 lakhs, her pure premium of risk would be 80,000. Factor in overheads and you'll be looking at an annual premium of 1.44 lakhs. This isn't just an expense, it is an investment in staying indispensable, a premium for your future. The profound brilliance of this model is it transforms learning from a core to a tangible asset. Your greatest hedge against uncertainty. Every new course, every side project, every certification directly reduces your HCAR. You don't need to be AI proof, you just need to be resiliently change ready. The formula doesn't care if you're a coder or a copywriter. It only cares if you are moving forward relentlessly, so no skill set insurance isn't on the market today. Not yet, but the problem it addresses is terrifyingly real, measurable, and urgently personal. We have the data, we have the methods, we have the incentives. The only missing piece is will. Will the industry adapt? Will the organizations invest? More importantly, will you step up? Will you pursue the next certification? Embrace the next challenging project? Because your commitment, your action, that is the true policy. With this note, I am Vinay Jain, signing off